Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into essential conversations that every new learner needs to know. Whether you're planning a trip, meeting new people, or just want to feel more confident, this video is for you. We'll practice together, nice and slow, so you can easily follow along and improve your pronunciation. Let's get started on your journey to fluent English. First up, let's master the art of introductions. This is usually the very first conversation you'll have. Imagine you're at a party or a new class. Someone might walk up to you and say, "Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?" You can reply, "Hello, Alex. My name is Maria." A great follow-up question is, "It's nice to meet you. Where are you from?" They might say, "I'm from Canada." And you can then share your home country. For example, "I'm from Brazil." Let's try that again. Listen and repeat. "Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?" "Hello, Alex. My name is Maria. It's nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from?" "I'm from Brazil." Simple, right? Practice this a few times and you'll be introducing yourself like a pro. Now, let's talk about asking for help. This is super important, especially when you're in a new place. Don't be afraid to ask. People are usually happy to help. You can start with a polite phrase like, "Excuse me." For example, if you're lost, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station." Or, if you're in a store and can't find something, you can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" Let's practice that. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station." Another useful phrase is, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you please speak more slowly?" This is perfect for when someone is talking too fast. Don't be shy to use it. It shows you are trying hard to understand. Next on our list, ordering food at a restaurant. This is a fun one. When you're ready to order, you can get the waiter's attention by saying, "Excuse me, we're ready to order." When they come to your table, you can start with, "I'd like to have ... or "Can I please have ... double quotes, for example, "I'd like to have the chicken sandwich." Or, "Can I please have a cheeseburger and a cola?" If you're unsure what to get, you can ask for a recommendation. "What do you recommend?" Or "What's the special for today?" After you finish your meal, you can say, "Can we have the check, please?" Let's practice ordering. Repeat after me. "I'd like to have the chicken sandwich. What do you recommend?" "Can we have the check, please?" You're doing great. Let's move on to a common situation, shopping. When you walk into a store, a shop assistant might greet you with, "Hello, can I help you?" If you're just looking around, you can say, "I'm just browsing, thank you." If you need help, you can tell them what you're looking for. "Yes, please. I'm looking for a blue t-shirt." If you find something you like, you might want to know the price. You can ask, "How much is this?" Maybe you want to try it on. You can ask, "Where are the fitting rooms?" When you're ready to pay, you go to the cashier and they might ask, "How would you like to pay?" You can answer, "By card, please," or "With cash." Let's review those phrases. "I'm just browsing, thank you." "How much is this?" "By card, please." Making small talk is another key skill. It's the polite and friendly conversation you have with people you don't know well. The weather is a very common topic. You can say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or "It's so cold today." Another easy topic is asking about someone's day. "How's your day going?" They might reply, "It's going well, thanks. How about you?" You can also talk about weekend plans. For example, on a Friday, you could ask, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?" Small talk helps you connect with people and practice your English in a low-pressure way. Let's practice. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Now, let's practice making a phone call. Answering the phone is easy. You can just say, "Hello." If you are the one making the call, you can say, "Hello, may I speak to John, please?" Or a more casual way is, "Hi, is John there?" If you are John, you can say, "This is he," or speaking. If John isn't there, the person might say, "I'm sorry, he's not here right now. Can I take a message?" You can then leave your message. "Yes, please tell him that Sarah called." Remember to speak clearly on the phone. Let's practice that. "Hello, may I speak to John, please?" "Yes, please tell him that Sarah called." Transportation is another essential topic. You might need to ask for directions or buy a ticket. To ask where something is, you say, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?" Or "How do I get to the museum?" When you're buying a ticket, you can say, "One ticket to downtown, please." Or A round-trip ticket to the airport, please. The person selling the ticket might ask, one way or a round trip. You may also need to ask about the schedule. What time does the next train leave? Let's repeat those. Where is the nearest bus stop? One ticket to downtown, please. These phrases will be incredibly helpful when you're navigating a new city. How about talking about your hobbies and interests? This is a great way to make friends. Someone might ask you, what do you like to do in your free time? You can answer, I like reading books, or I enjoy playing soccer. To keep the conversation going, you should ask them the same question back. What about you? What are your hobbies? This shows you are interested in them too. For example, I really enjoy watching movies. Do you like movies? Yes, I do. What's your favorite kind of movie? This is how you build connections. Let's practice. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy playing soccer. What about you? Let's put it all together in a longer practice conversation. Imagine you meet someone new at a coffee shop. Let's call them Ben. Ben says, Hi, is this seat taken? You say, No, it's free. Please, have a seat. Ben, thanks. I'm Ben, by the way. You, nice to meet you, Ben. I'm Don't. Double quotes and say your name. Ben, nice to meet you too. Are you from around here? You know, I'm from Japan. I'm studying English here. Ben, that's cool. Your English is very good. You, thank you. I'm still learning. I enjoy listening to music to practice. Ben, that's a great way to learn. What kind of music do you like? See how the conversation flows from one topic to another? Remember, the key to becoming a confident English speaker is practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every time you speak, you get a little bit better. Try to use these phrases in your daily life. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I am making coffee. I am walking to the park. The more you use the language, the more natural it will feel. You've learned so many useful phrases today. From introducing yourself and asking for help, to ordering food and making small talk, you are building a strong foundation for all your future English conversations. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Let me know in the comments which conversation you are going to practice first. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Hello, Alex. My name is Maria.
Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you. What brings you here?
I came with friends. It's a lovely party.